Dear friends, I noticed many people are disappointed for nothing. They have ability and power but do not use their brain. For that reason, they are not succeed. They think people criticized and they criticized. If you want to succeed, just you use your brain. That I will discuss in my lecture part by part. This lecture is only for them who are fail. Sometimes we made our own block in our successing life because sometimes we hampered some words that really we are in hopeless. This type of words we everybody know, that critic, critical, criticize, criticism. So dear friends, this type of word, critic, criticize, criticism, critical condition, we all everybody know this type of word and we learned it, we mind it, but we never use it because this type of word, this type of critical condition, if you cannot afford to block this type of situation, critical condition, criticism, your success cannot be come and you will be under of the success. Let us examine some of the symptoms of the fear of criticism. The majority of people permit relatives, friends and overall publics at large to so influence them they cannot live their lives because of fear of the criticism. Huge numbers of people make mistakes in marriage, stand by the bargain and go through life miserable because they fear criticism if they correct their mistakes. People refuse to take chances in business because they fear of the criticism if they fail. The fear of criticism in such cause is stronger than the desire for success. Too many people refuse to set goals for themselves because they fear criticism of relatives and friends and publics. What publics say, what relatives say, what others say, this type of thinking. So dear friends, we never give any importance about criticism, about critical condition, about this type of situation. We never hopeless because our friends, our relatives, our environment, our people always give us criticism, critical condition. So what we do, we should do. What we think, we should think and we cover our success. Thank you everybody.